Well, Beanie. Hi, everybody. Today, Beanie and I love you, and I'm doing our weekly video. I should do more than that. And Beanie says hello. Hello, everybody. Yeah. Isn't you're so pretty today, Beanie? He's so pretty. He's been molting and itchy and cranky and tired, and he's starting to feel a little better now. A lot of his feathers are opening, that the new ones that come in. He's saying hello, hello. Hi, everybody. How are you? We love you. We love you for liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Oh, you're so cute. Beanie's so cute. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice weekend. Nice evening, too. Oh, pretty Beanie. Oh.